Today is going to be a decisive moment in your life as you discover the secret to turn $250 into $21,841. No expert or guru has ever done this, and I dare them to challenge me. I will trade right in front of you and show you my software in action to give you live wire experience of the sheer power and lightning fast speed at which the money flows into my account. How would you like it if your bank account looked like this? I have been consistently rating the markets, reaping spectacular profits like these every single day. Stunned? Such insane incomes have been possible because of my recurrent neural network embedded trading system that cranks out winning trades with Swiss clock-like precision. The new technological breakthrough has been churning crazy profits every day of my waking life, earning me 75% and more returns within 1 minute to an hour in all market conditions and at all times. Of course, it also works incredibly well on weekly options, but I love making money at supersonic speed. This is something that no other guru has dared to do. I will also tell you the reason why your trading career never took off the way you want it. I promise there will be no hype, no fake statements, and no phony third-party verified claims. I'm going to do something revolutionary, totally out of the box. You will be spellbound as you see profits flowing into my account right in front of your eyes. And the best part is, you'll learn how easy it is to earn such incomes before the end of this page. Are you ready? For the next few minutes, leave everything and pay close attention as the action happens right here, right now. I'm going to put my revolutionary trading bot to work and show you the money-making formula that you can easily copy without wasting time at your computer looking at charts and without huge investment. Tighten your seatbelt and see the magic unfold. I'm going to show you my live binary options account. I'll log in and show you my balance. Here we go. I have been quietly churning 7-figure annual incomes. I have been taking home enormous profits for almost 5 years now, netting 7-figure yearly incomes. The market seesawed, soared, and plummeted, went into a deep pit, and touched the sky, but my profits only went upwards. So are you happy with your current income? Do you know why you and 98.3% of the traders fail to earn profits the way I have been swiping off within 60 seconds to an hour? The reason is that until now, you've never found any trading system, EA, or guide that traded in all market conditions. Let me explain. Most EAs and trading systems are based on simple logic. They use 2 or 3 tier, in case the system is really good, filters to identify trading opportunities. Now, these filters are based on technical charts, patterns that the market behaved a few days, few months, or a few years ago. In short, these charts are relying on past records and not on current market conditions. But markets are like live wire. The prices reach a new high, a new bottom, and it all oscillates in between creating new patterns every single day. How does it matter to you? Every time a new pattern is created, your EA or whatever you are using fails to predict the market direction. You see, your EA, no matter how good it is trained only to read and predict historical patterns. The fact is, markets do not move according to the price patterns. These patterns are at best a guideline of how the market behaved in the past, but in reality, the prices are influenced by a host of other factors: the oil prices, economic announcements, political developments, the balance of payment positions, and the vast trading community influences the price movements. So unless your trading system or EA captures and considers all of the above factors, there is little doubt that you will fail. If you're lucky, you may win a few trades and get tiny profits. Sorry for being blunt, but if you're picking just tidbits of profits, trading isn't for you. If you want to earn supreme profits regardless of how the market moves, you need something much more powerful. Something that scours volumes of data from various markets such as gold and oil, political developments across the globe, financial announcements and events, read the charts and patterns and traders' market perceptions, and then link up all of the information to derive the potential price movement. Only then can you earn like this. Introducing Binary Rater, the world's only recurrent neural network-powered trading strategy. that creates and integrates data from currency markets in addition to other vital data like the oil markets, fundamentals, and general trader perception, and predicts market movement with almost 100% accuracy. I am earning insane profits like this. But things were totally different a few years ago. Let me introduce myself. I am Jason Gazy. I'm a financial and political analyst. I worked with an agency that collected huge databases of various nations. My task was to assimilate and simulate the data and derive meaningful conclusions from seemingly unrelated information. Just to give you an idea, we'd look at the employment, industrial growth, the spending habits of people, etc. But behind the facade, our real job was to supply highly confidential data to the government. One day, we got a call from a small software company in Austria. The marketing representative said they had developed software using the recurring neural network to integrate and assimilate varied and huge database. He explained that this tool joined the dots of various unrelated units to form a network. How was it different from the tools we used? Well, it considered the time-varying, real value of each unit or parameter, which made the results fail-proof. This intrigued me. Being a financial analyst, Forex and binary trading fascinated me. I hadn't been successful, though. The system I used worked 90% of the time. But when the system couldn't get it right, I lost my shirt. So when I heard about the recurring neural network, I thought, why not combine it with binary options? I talked them into giving me a trial version before buying it for my office. I have to confess, I broke the rule and hired a software engineer to modify it to work with my trading system. The results were amazing on backtesting. 90% of my lost trades turned out as winners. So we set to further tweak it up until it gave 98.7% accurate results, churning out vociferous profits like this. Since the software raids the binary markets with electrifying speed and razor-sharp precision, I named it the Binary Raider. Binary Raider is inbuilt with time-tested strategies. It is tailored to give you winning trades in all market conditions. Its real power is in its recurring neural network. With this algorithm, it collects and connects various interrelated statistics, such as the economic announcements, prices of various assets including gold, oil, growth data, the general market mood, and how the traders view the market in addition to the technical charts. Binary Raider explores comprehensive data to trade, something that no other robot or system in this world has done till date. That's why the results of Binary Raider are beyond comparison. Whether the market is volatile or stagnant, ranging or swinging, soaring up or taking a back foot, you will always end up in profits. In case the market moves the other way, Binary Raider quickly recoups the trade. Best is, it memorizes the new patterns formed, so that the next time a similar pattern emerges, it will predict the market correctly. Every trade has a cost. When you lose a trade, you're losing not just your money, but also you are thrown away from reaching your financial goals. More importantly, you're losing time. You need to accelerate the pace of money making if you want financial stability and security of your loved ones. You're running short of time. The governments across the globe have exhausted their funds due to mindless spending. With no revenues left, it is little wonder that they are eyeing you, your funds, your wealth, and your investments. Practically everything you own could be taken up by the government with a single stroke of pen. Seems too far-fetched? Here are the facts. Detroit recently filed for bankruptcy. Detroit is the 8th city to go bankrupt in addition to 28 other utilities. It's only a matter of time when other cities call it quits. If that happens, you could lose as much as 85% of your investments within a split second. This means it's not just your job at stake, all your possessions, your property, your wealth, and practically everything you own may evaporate into thin air. Unless you're able to make money faster than the government can snatch it, life is going to be miserable. All you do is click call or put as indicated by the Binary Raider. That's it. I've tried to maintain 100% transparency by trading right in front of you. I wanted you to be sure that Binary Raider is unlike the trash you find in the market. That's why I gave you irrefutable live proof. I want you to know that I'm not just giving you my Binary Raider, I will be there for you from the beginning. That's why I've made an arrangement with my customer support team. Once you access the Binary Raider, one of my customer support team members will get in touch with you to see how you are faring with it. This way, you will be able to trade confidently and reap larger chunks of profits. That's not all. If you need, and only if you need, I can also help you get the right broker with the best terms. But it's totally up to you who you prefer to work with. With that said, I know you are wondering why I'm going overboard with Binary Raider and why on earth I'm willing to share it with you. First, I believe in giving my 100% to whatever I do. If you decide to trade with Binary Raider, I take it as my duty to see that you are 100% satisfied. Let me explain why I'm letting you use my $1 million profit puller trading tool. I am sitting at the pinnacle of success. My future is secured. My Binary Raider is earning me 7-figure annual incomes. I've spread my nest eggs to bigger assets which again yield me finer returns. So money is the last thing on my mind today. My focus is on doing a good turn to at least a few people. I can give donation, but that won't last a lifetime. The best way to help is to teach them to be financially independent. For just $27, you are getting the world's first ever recurring neural network powered trading system. I've shown you the live wire performance of Binary Raider. I'm also willing to walk you by hand whenever you need me. Plus, I'm giving you my 60 days unconditional money back guarantee to make it totally risk-free for you. It can't get better than this. You could start your personal trading business with just $250. Just hit the sign up button now and get started. I'll see you on the other side.